Sarah Lowder, and I'm the owner of Lowder Baking Company. We started out actually baking king cakes from our home kitchen. A couple years ago, we decided to try to introduce some to some friends and family, and then decided to sell some. So it grew to a point that we completely maxed out our capacity of our house, and we decided it was time to take the leap and open up a storefront.
I'm Karen Chalmers, and I'm a business analyst with EAP. So timing is one of the most important factors when launching a business as well as a product line. Lowder Bakery is a great example of how strategic timing and execution can work together to successfully launch a business.
Well, king cakes really are a tradition among Louisiana to be sold between King's Day, which is the first beginning day of Mardi Gras season, up until Mardi Gras Day. And so we really have a limited time that we're able to sell king cakes throughout the year.
The fact that they were able to open around Mardi Gras season, it significantly helped with their marketing because everyone knew about the Lowder king cakes and everyone wanted a Lowder king cake. So word of mouth was a big part of them being able to saturate the market so quickly and so early in their launch. Before you even open the doors for a business, there are things that have to happen before the fact. Considering that this is a bakery, there are inspections, there are things you need to cover with the city. So it's very important that you do a full tracking of how long that will take, because a 2-week or a month delay in launching a business that is seasonal and is trying to target the Mardi Gras season could significantly affect how the business is launched.
Partnered up with EAP was a huge part of our success, especially with starting out. I definitely didn't consider myself an entrepreneur, so EAP really helped guide us throughout the process of starting our own business.